Do you have any kind of a skill in any domain, and are you thinking that how can you monetize that particular skill you are going to earn every month? How can you utilize your skill and become a freelancer? Are you the one thinking which platform is suitable for your career? So if you are a beginner and planning to start your platform and thinking that which particular website is very much suitable for you, this video is for you. In this video I am going to share 5 websites which are very useful to all the freelancers, and I have seen that so many freelancers have become successful and top freelancers have become entrepreneurs by using these 5 platforms only. You can start your freelancing journey by registering yourself in these platforms, and you can monetize your skill. Topmost freelancing website is upwork.com. Number 2, freelancer.com. Number 3, Fiverr. Number 4 is guru.com. Number 5, TopTal.